Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this so delicious dairy-free and gluten-free dark chocolate truffle. So this was on sale at the local grocery store, that's what I pick up. And I always have people asking me for different options, so here's one. Non-dairy, look at that, cashew they use, and that's the nutrient panel. Lots of sugar though, keep that in mind guys. It's dairy-free and gluten-free, but there's lots of sugar still in there, so that's per half a cup. And this is 500 mils. Okay, so, and then here's the ingredients if you guys want to see. So what's it say? Cashew. Let me open this up here. You guys get a better look. So it says cashew based, fudge sauce, cane sugar. Yeah, lots of sugar. More cane sugar, chocolate flakes. Yeah, so guar gum. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test for you guys. Oh wow. Smells really good. Let's see what it tastes like. It's actually quite nice. It has a really cocoa type of taste to it. And it has that sort of dark chocolate where the flakes are there. It's slightly it's not too bitter. It's slightly sweet, and then it's got that sort of dark chocolate taste to it. Really dark chocolate taste. You do taste the sugar. It is sweet tasting, guys. So definitely just be aware of that. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Oh, and I've tasted their caramel and salted caramel. I prefer the salted caramel over this one so far. Alright.